I am going to make one of our very popular dish. We call it the Lubi Express. The main ingredient for this one is the pork belly. Now I am ready to fry this one. While that is cooking, I have to start preparing my sauce. On this dish, chili is very important. One of the most important ingredients for the Lubi Express is our local coconut cream. Garlic and oil. Chopped onions, ginger, half of my chili in here. Okay, another important ingredient for this one is the shrimp paste. It enhances the flavor of your Lubi Express if you use this one. I think I am ready with my coconut cream. Okay. It's getting crispier now. Rock salt, black pepper. Sauce is ready. Thick and spicy. Let me see with the pork belly. Oh, very crispy. Cut. Okay, see that sounds? That means it's crispy. Some guests want bigger chunky. The remaining of my chili.
Now, I'll be honest, this is the one I was most excited about.
Yeah.
Lubi Express. Now, that's a play on Bicol Express.
Exactly. Actually, it starts in Malate, but the chef is making this one is from Bicol. And that time, there is an express train that's coming from Bicol to Manila, vice versa. So he tried it to do is he created the name of this dish like Bicol Express because of the spicy, because of the kick that it gives.
Express train to spicy town.
Yes,
Look at this. We've got that beautiful coconut sauce curry almost on top of an unctuous piece of pork belly.
Yes, pork
With
belly.
a big boy too.
Exactly.
Before I taste it, I got to talk about this. You have such a luxury when it comes to sourcing coconuts on this island because Lubi Plantation is a coconut plantation.
Exactly. Lubi means coconut.
So you are just like a coconut millionaire. Anytime you want anything coconut, you can just source it right here.
Yeah, that's next to sun. We have abundant of sun here. Next is Lubi. It's coconut, so we have lots.
Chilies, coconuts, pork,
Everything.
sunshine, sea
Everything.
life is good.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Is my mic picking that up? Oh my God.
You hear that crackling sound?
My God. I feel it in my skull. I'm not joking, but I prefer this to a traditional lechon. You know why?
It's less oily actually.
Less oily, perfectly cooked pork, crispiness like lechon, but it's got that fire.
Yes, exactly.
It's got that coconut cream. I gotta have another piece.
Yes, go ahead.
Take that. Get a lot of sauce on it. Going in for seconds. It's a big mouthful. The bite of the pork is just perfect. You just slather that sauce on and it just takes it to the next level. Wow. Honestly, better than lechon. Lubi Express, better than lechon.
Thank you, sir.
No one does pork like the Filipinos.